So you're going to end up on the thank you page. First step here, I've just got like an overview video. I'm just going to get folks excited, right? It's got Russell talking about the ClickFunnels affiliate program, how easy it is. I've got a couple like, amounts here, like if you sign up one person, you can make this, but really like that's all just sales copy, right? You probably won't actually make that much money, but it's really just to get folks excited, to be perfectly honest with you. And then what it is a complete 7-step system here. So step number 1 is, as soon as you opt in, you need to get a 14-day free trial of ClickFunnels. The reason is this entire funnel is built in ClickFunnels. The system just doesn't work without it, okay? And the whole point of the 14-day free trial is you're able to take this system, you're able to fully launch it, run with it, get going, start making some money before your credit card ever gets billed. So that's the whole point, right? I wanted to create something so that folks on their 14-day free trial could actually start to see results in that first 14 days and not cancel their trial at the end. That's really what it was all about for me. Because like I'll sign people up for the 14-day free trial of ClickFunnels, right? And then what happens is they say, well, okay, well, and then they get to day 14 and they cancel because like, well, I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't have any like support, any coaching. I didn't like really know how to build a funnel. So I wanted to create something so that folks on their 14-day free trial could see results and see some actual real money coming in that first 14 days. And the whole point of that is so that when day 15 rolls around and their credit card gets billed that first $97 payment, they don't quit and walk away. And that was the point of me doing 80% of the work for you. I built this whole funnel like on a Sunday. And I was just meeting a client right now. I was telling him about Affiliate Side Hustle. I got him kind of excited about it too. He's a personal trainer. We're actually building out a membership site, help him take his personal training business online, sell some information products. But I was telling him about Affiliate Side Hustle. He got super pumped about it, right? But what I was telling him is like, the whole point of this is like ClickFunnels. It's like during that first 14 days, can we actually get you making money? Can we actually get you results? You don't cancel in the first 14 days. And that's the whole point. So step 1, I've got a little bit of copy here. There's a full training video for step 1 here. It's like maybe 5 minutes long. It's just going to show you like how to sign up for your 14-day free trial. There's a couple different payment plan options. You can get on the $97 plan. If you want the whole ClickFunnels suite like I have, that's a $297 option. But one important thing to bear in mind here is very significant is that you can actually run with all of this, set it all up, and start making money before your credit card ever gets billed. And that's the whole point. Do this during the 14-day free trial. Make money on your free trial so that you don't have to cancel the free trial at the end of the 14 days. So we got the training video for step 1. And then the real magic, I guess, starts kind of on step 2 here, guys.